First of all, I welcome you all in this first session of Basic Electronics course. So, in this session, we will talk about the importance of the course, that why you are learning this course. Then we will talk about the course learning outcomes. Then we will talk about the course syllabus. Then we will see the course evolution methodologies. Then I will give you the explanation about the course importance for learning based on applications. So all these things we will discuss in this lecture. So first we start with the importance of the course. So basically this course is offered to you to provide you the knowledge about the different analog and digital circuits and their operation. The subject is basically divided into two parts. First part is regarding the analog electronics, and the second part is about the digital electronics. So the first part will give you the knowledge about the construction, working, and applications of field effect transistors, operational amplifier, and optoelectronic devices. While the second part will give you the knowledge about the construction, working, and applications of sequential circuits. By this course, you will be able to design different electronic projects by using FET, operation amplifiers, and optoelectronic devices and flip-flops. So when we talk about the CLO or the course learning outcomes of this course, so basically after successful completion of this course, you will be able to develop an ability of understanding and analyzing analog circuits. You will develop an ability of understanding and applying the concept of designing and analysis of sequential circuits. Also, you will develop an ability to build electronic circuit using integrated circuits. So these are the CLOs of this course.